Hi, so this is the watch which I'm going to give review today. Of course, let me open the box and let me show you the real content. So here is the watch which I'm going to show you today, and I suppose it looks pretty interesting, right? Okay, so here is the box and it says it is not only a timepiece, it is a piece of fashion. And well, actually it is, or it seems like. So it's actually the straps are made from the leather. That's a nice thing, many people love that. And let's open it up and let's see, except watch, what is there. So let's open this up and see what is inside this. So it looks like a luxury watch, but well, it is not if you look at the price. So we have the Lige card, international guarantee. So we issue guarantee for 12 months from the date of purchase. If you want to extend the warranty, of course, you can register or contact them. And then if you are not satisfied, they can give you free exchange or full refund. And you don't need even to return it. So that's a good part. So yeah, so accept card, we have here the booklet itself and a very nice piece of cloth for cleaning the glass of the watch. Then we have this amazing booklet, and that shows you different models actually, because the Lige is creating a lot of models. So for each model you have different settings for setting the time or using the stopwatch or things like that. So one of the model is which I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the watch and I hope you can see it clearly, quite clearly. Let me focus it again. And then there you go. And this is of leather, well produced, well product, and you can see that the details are pretty good for this kind of budget. Of course, let me tell you the budget later, and then maybe you will believe that that's pretty strange for this kind of budget. So here, as you can see, it's pretty nice. And then at the back you can see the water resistant full stainless steel, and then there are three knobs as you can see here. This one and this one. So basically this is for actually, if you put it out one time for this model, if you put it out one time, then you can set the date. And if you put two times out, you pull it two times, then you can set the time, and then you push it back, it will start working. And second thing here you can see is the hours, the 24-hour time. Like for example, here is now 8 o'clock. So in the morning 8 o'clock it is, so 8 o'clock should be 8 o'clock. So here you can see 6, 7 and 8. So well, actually when it comes after 12, then it will goes to 13, 14, showing the time in 24-hour at the same time. Of course nobody need it in the analog watch, but they does provide. And these needles work actually not only for the fashion or the show. And then you have here the second watch, and then you have here the minutes watch. So as you can see, 60, 15, 30 and 45. So actually if you want to use the stopwatch, what you have to do is you have to press this button once, and as you can see, this the second watch start ticking. And of course this will take a bit time for you to notice that it is working. So let it work for maybe 1-2 minutes until I tell you another thing. So actually the details are pretty nice. You can say that for this price I have never seen any watch that much well made or that much clean and clear made. For example, the numbers written here, or the number or the text written here. So actually for this price I would say that's I would say the best thing that a person can get. And then if you see here clearly, of course, it's two actually minor thing, but if you see here in the hour and minute needle, you can see there is this white kind of painting. That's the color, I think it's iridium or something, because it does lit in at the night. For example, I can try to show you if I will make dark enough, most probably. So let me try that also, of course. And then you can see these small needles also, this second and this minute and this watch of the 24-hour needle, that also works and lit in the dark. I don't know how much time, I didn't try it yet, but that does lit, so that can tell you actually time at night in one way. You can see that time, so you don't need a special light, or if you don't have mobile to watch the time, then you can use this watch hopefully. But of course you need to make sure that you have enough light before to put on it, so that it absorbs the light. So basically I think iridium, or yeah, I think they use iridium mostly, so it works like that. And then this every hour line here, that also lit at night or in the dark. So actually basically you will see these three light, these three needles, these two needles lit. Of course the second one you don't need, most probably also. And these are every hour also lit, so that you can tell the time. And how you will know that you are holding it correct or not, that at night maybe you're watching like this, and instead of telling here 4 o'clock, you tell here 10 o'clock. So yeah, see 10 or 4. So basically for that, what you need of course is your watch. You can see these, the alignment of these three. So basically 2, and then there is down, so 2 or down, you can see that okay, you are holding it correct. And you will see here needle, you will not see here nothing, as the lead does not lit at night, so you will understand that you are holding it incorrect. So that's the way to do that. So let me try to maybe to show you if I can show you the lightning in the night. Okay, so in this way actually it's almost not possible to show you that whole loss, because the camera quality is not that good. Even if I will make dark enough, it will not let you show. But yeah, in this way you have to trust me or buy it to check it. So basically I've been using it for 3 to 4 days, I would say, and the time is pretty accurate. It does not lag or somehow like tell you the wrong time. So what I've set it up after 3 days also is telling the same time, and the date is also accurate, as today is 1st of August. And then if you want to, of course I think I told you everything. Then if you want to stop the stopwatch, then you press the same button right here. So that's for start, that for stop. As you can see, the second second stops here, and the minute as well stops here. So what if you have to reset it? So how you will reset it? So for that, this button, use it only for to reset the stopwatch. So if I press this button, you have to focus on this minute and seconds needle. So as you can see, pretty nice. So it will keep going on until it will come to back to the 0 or the 60 here, and it looks nice. So yes, basically that's all about the things that you can get, that you want to know. And you can see the make is also pretty nice. You cannot say this watch costs less than 50 euros. In other way, if you convert of course in your currency, then you will see that it's pretty cheap watch. According to that, pretty budget watch. I hope that you like the video, and if you have any comments, any questions or anything, then you can of course comment there, except abuses of course. And the thing is that if you want, because many of the people ask me that from where we can buy these things, or the old phones or anything. So basically you can get from eBay or aliexpress.com, but for this I would recommend amazon.com, and I will try to provide the link of that in the description, so you can easily buy it from there. And of course don't forget to give the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So have a nice day, and bye.